Ford Motor Company Worldwide by Alma Martinez, Brenda Angelis, Sarah Davis, Sean Alexander, and Yvette Chenfield. Ford's global business strategy is highlighted by its vision statement, people working together as a lean global enterprise for automotive leadership. Automotive leadership is measured by the satisfaction of Ford's customers, employees, investors, dealers, suppliers, and communities. The strategy is further enhanced by the One Ford plan, which aims to accelerate the pace of progress, deliver product excellence with passion, and drive innovation throughout the Ford company. To deliver product excellence with passion, Ford aims to serve customers and provide best-in-class vehicles while delivering profit growth for all. To promote Ford's overall affordability and product excellence, Ford is currently working to consolidate its global platforms in order to deliver customer-focused programs rapidly and efficiently across global markets. The last objective of the One Ford plan is to drive innovation in the rapidly evolving automobile industry. As a technology-leading company, Ford works with an innovation mindset to provide affordable, accessible solutions for existing problems and the needs of tomorrow.
Ford is considered one of the most successful car companies in the world. However, in the 1990s, Ford began to decline in sales in Europe. Their decline was due to outdated car designs and a failure to recognize that the European market had a greater want for diesel engines. Diesel engine cars make up about 50% of the market in Europe, while in the US it makes up only about 3% of the market. Under Ford's One Ford plan, there was an increase in the product designs worldwide to better fit the diverse tastes in automobiles around the world. Ford's One Ford plan falls under a transnational strategy because of the pressures it faced to adapt their cars for local markets and still keep prices affordable. In the United States, Ford only offers 6 compact car models while offering 6 mid-sized car models and 2 heavy-duty trucks popular in America and 2 commercial cars. In Italy, we see the difference in taste between Americans and Europeans most prominently. Ford in Italy markets different versions of a model as different cars instead of offering them under the same car name with different upgrades. There is also no SUVs or trucks offered in Italy by Ford. We also see a difference in prices. The cheapest car one could buy in Italy would cost $9,500, while the cheapest car one could buy in America would cost $14,000. Ford has learned that to compete in the international market, a company must both adapt to local preferences as well as being cost-effective.
According to Auto News, the One Ford strategy, adapted by previous CEO Alan Mulally, helped Ford become a company free of regional barriers that would create global products sharing design, parts, and engineering for a single Ford brand. The global campaign was developed by a European team which helped Ford specialize its marketing strategy to Europeans because of their expertise in marketing smaller vehicles versus an American-based team which specializes in a variety of vehicles, but especially SUVs.
In Europe, Ford targets to a completely different market versus in the United States. Europe focuses on marketing compact/economy cars and commercial vans. The variety of cars Ford offers varies by location. Europe is a high tourist destination, therefore they offer a variety of commercial cars. In Europe, Ford doesn't offer large SUVs like the United States, because in Europe it gives their smaller cars an urban feel. There are virtually no trucks for sale in the European market. Europeans are more fond of smaller, rounder cars, versus in the United States where cars tend to be more massive and square in size. This is because Americans like their cars bigger because in the States, size does matter.
Ford recognizes that each market has specific needs based on different cultures, and although the brand name stays the same, the meaning changes greatly around the world. For example, in the United States, Ford has the image of being rugged and tough with the saying Ford built tough, whereas in other parts of the world such as the UK, the image of innovation is used with the saying Ford, it's not just a car. Also, in many cultures, consumers don't see a need to drive trucks outside commercial use, so Ford does not offer a truck lineup such as the F-150 or Super Duty in those markets. Instead, they offer more compact and stylish cars like the Mondeo and Figa. Ford also looks at the market's demographic and geographic features, and regulates their product mix based on this as well. Geographically, many markets require smaller, more compact vehicles. Markets like Europe and Asia tend to have more compact streets compared to the US, making a smaller, more compact car like the Fiesta or Ka a necessity. However, in markets like the US and Australia, which tend to have a wider and more open road, the necessity for a smaller, more compact car is not as strong, and in fact, the desire for large vehicles is present within these markets. No matter the market, Ford tends to sell its products at a standardized price. Ford has done well to establish itself as a reliable and affordable car company all around the world. Ford manufactures most of its baseline models in different parts of the globe. However, Ford's market-specific cars such as the F-150, the Ka, and the Figa are manufactured in the market they are mainly sold in. This reduces operating and importing costs and saves Ford a lot of money, allowing them to sell vehicles at an affordable price.
In conclusion, we chose to do our project on Ford because Ford is a prime example of a transnational company as it operates in multiple markets and experiences sociocultural, physical, and economic forces that require the company to adapt to each foreign market while working to keep costs low for the company and keep products affordable for customers.